If you've forgotten your master password, don't panic. I'm going to walk you through a quick, straightforward method to recover access so you can get back into your account. Stick with me until the end for an exclusive free trial of the software we're using in this guide. So how to recover access if you forget your master password. First, check if the software you're using offers a password recovery option. Most popular platforms include a way to reset or recover your master password through an email or a security question. If your software has this option, look for the Forgot Password link on the login page. This will prompt you to enter your registered email. Be sure to check your spam folder if you don't see the recovery email right away. If you don't have that option, the next step is checking for a backup option like recovery keys or a password reset disk, which many services recommend setting up when you first create your account. If you didn't set those up, some programs might allow you to verify your identity using two-factor authentication, like a code sent to your phone. This could be your last chance to gain access. If that still doesn't work, or if two-factor authentication is not an option, you may have to contact the software's customer support. Most services have dedicated support teams ready to help you recover access, especially if you can provide proof of ownership of the account. It's also important to note that while these steps work for most popular software, every service has a slightly different method, and you might have to try a few approaches. Keep in mind that patience is key, and make sure you're following any instructions that pop up in your recovery process carefully. Now, if none of these options work and you're unable to reset the password or verify your identity, it's possible that your account may be permanently locked, but don't lose hope yet. Some software offers manual intervention from their support team that can help you recover your access. If you're looking for a reliable solution with a higher chance of success in the recovery process, be sure to check out the software we'll be using today. It's well known for making recovery easier and more secure. And if you want to follow along with this video step by step, I've got an exclusive free trial available for viewers of my channel in the description below. Remember, the key takeaway here is to start with the most common recovery methods: email recovery, recovery keys, and two-factor authentication. If those don't work, customer support is your next best option. And don't forget to take advantage of the free trial in the description. It's a great way to get started on the software we're using. To quickly recap, first, check for password recovery options in the software you're using. If that doesn't work, try recovery keys, two-factor authentication, or reach out to support. And finally, make sure you grab your exclusive free trial in the description to help you with your future account security. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you regain access to your account without hassle.